Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returnee here, but if you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel, and on this channel I put up videos 3 times a week, every Tuesdays, every Thursdays, and every Sundays. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe by clicking on that button that spells subscribe by the right hand side and the bell icon that shows up after, so you are notified each time I put up new content here. Okay, let's just begin. Start a YouTube channel in 2020 with just your phone? Of course you can. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel with your phone. You can film, edit, upload, and manage your channel solely from your mobile device. That's news, right? I get a lot of DMs and questions related to this, so I decided to do this video. There are several other YouTubers that have some sort of videos related to this, so you might want to check them out after watching mine, because I'm sure you can learn new things from each and everyone's video. Because not everyone has a laptop, but most people want to start a YouTube channel. I'm here to tell you that it is doable. Okay, before we get into how to create a channel using your phone, there are a bunch of things I'd like to add, so you can skip this part, but I advise you not to. I'll leave a timestamp in the description box so you can forward to the aforementioned tutorial proper. Number one, decide what your channel is going to be about. What are you passionate about? What do you want to share with the world? What do you know that you think that is going to be beneficial to everybody that comes across your channel? You can get inspirations from other people's channel. Just know what your flair is about and what you're comfortable enough doing and showcasing to the world. So that's your number one thing. What is your channel going to be about? Number two, deliberate video ideas before opening the channel proper. What worked for me before I opened my channel was that I got a bunch of video ideas, about 50 to 100, even though I did not act on all of them, but it gave me an idea of what I wanted my channel to look like. So basically what you need to do is plan ahead, brainstorm on lots and lots of ideas, and eventually narrow it down to what you feel like it's going to make the most sense. Number three, I wish I knew this before starting my channel, and that is scheduling my uploads. Before now, my uploads were all over the place. I will post a video on Monday, next week I'll post it on Wednesday, the upper week I'll post it on Saturday. But eventually I got a schedule that works for me, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And I believe that if I had applied this process on my channel before now, maybe my channel would have grown better than it actually is now. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, please get a schedule and stick to it. It might not be very easy, but just try to stick to it. That way your videos are recommended more, your subscribers know what days to look out for you, and it just gives your channel some sort of uniformity when it comes to your uploads. Okay, number four being the reason why you're here on my channel today, and that is how to create your channel using just your phone. I'm just going to come closer to the camera and show you guys a real life session on how I do it, or how to do it rather. This is the YouTube app on my phone here. I would assume that before you get up to this point, you have downloaded it from your app store. So I'm just going to click on it, and I already have a pre-existing account here. I've gone ahead to sign out from my existing account on the application. To add a new account, you just want to click on the favicon here, this one that says sign in. So I click on the sign in sign, and to add a new account, I will click on add account. It says YouTube wants to use Google account to sign in. You said yes by continuing, and it automatically redirects you to a browser setting where you have to input your account details. I just created a new account and I'm going to put in the details here. Click on next, and it asks for the password. Now I've created a new YouTube channel. To access it, I'll just click on this icon right here that says C, which stands for my name, Kelechi Chantel. And once you click there, it redirects you to your channel. And as you can see, this is a new channel and it has no description whatsoever. And I have the liberty to create what I want or use any name I want on this channel. I'm going to still leave it as Chantel Kelechi because this is just a demo, and I click on create channel, and automatically, guys, there's a new YouTube channel with my name on it. Do you get? And it also started suggesting videos from people that YouTube thinks I want to watch. My video was already suggested as well. So that is it. Now that your channel is created, to complete the setup, you need to create a channel art. You can use different apps on your phone for this, like Snapseed, Canva, PicMonkey, all available on iOS and the Android store. Canva has pre-measurements for your YouTube thumbnail, your YouTube channel ad, so it's easier to use that, and they are all absolutely free. I think PicMonkey also has that same settings of pre-measurement, so you might just want to check that out. And all of these work on your phone. You don't need a computer, you don't need any external device to make it work. Now that your channel ad has been created, next you want to edit your video that you already filmed with your phone. If you guys want me to do a dedicated video on how to film using just your phone, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to do that. It's pretty easy and you might not necessarily tell the difference from a phone and a laptop so far as you apply the settings properly. So yeah, once you're done filming and you want to edit your videos, I'm going to list out a bunch of apps that you can use on both your Android device and also your iOS. I'm going to kickstart with the ones for Android. The first I'll be talking about is Filmora Go. Filmora Go is a fantastic Android video editing app. You get features from cutting to trimming to splitting to adding music to adding themes. This app has in-app purchases, but most of the fantastic features are absolutely free. The next on my list for Android devices is Adobe Premiere Clip, and this one is so amazing. Something super cool about this app is that it has automatic video creation capability. What that does is that you just put your footages into the app and it automatically creates it for you. And it also has a cool feature where you can share your final results on Twitter, on Facebook, and even YouTube directly without having to save it in your phone and take up memory space. Adobe Premiere Clip is also free on the Android store. The third on my list is Video Show. This application is one of the most popular applications for video editing on Android device. It has a super friendly user interface and it is so easy to use. Aside from the generic functions that every video editor has, with Video Show you can edit and also beautify your video by adding more effects if that's your thing. The next three video editor applications I'm going to be mentioning are for your iOS or your iPhone devices. The first one on my list is iMovie. iMovie is free and it is very beginner friendly. It also supports 4K, so that means that you're going to get a very impressive output. Number two is Adobe Premiere Rush CC. With this one, it is similar to the Adobe Premiere Clip for Android, so if you've used either of them, you can tell that they are both similar. This can be downloaded free from the App Store, but it also has in-app purchases. For unlimited usage, you have to pay $9.99, which gives you license for your iPhone, your iPad, your iTV, whatever you have connected to that device, and it also gives you 100 gig cloud storage. And yeah, this one also gives you a 4K output, which is really impressive. The third one on my list for iPhone editing is Quick. It is a GoPro video editing app. This one doesn't support 4K. It was actually made for GoPro, but it is not limited to it, so you can actually use it on your iPhone and get amazing results as well. As the name suggests, this application is a quick on the go type of editing app. It doesn't take time. Everything is just quick and you're ready to upload. The fact that it doesn't support 4K is not a problem because so many people don't really use 4K for their editing. I myself, I don't use 4K, but it supports 1080p and 720, which is amazing. So you don't have anything to worry about if you're thinking of getting Quick and you think that not supporting 4K is an issue. It's not. Now, with all those apps mentioned, I would presume that you're done editing your videos. So once you upload your video on YouTube using your phone as well, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload using your phone. To upload your first video, just click on the icon that depicts a video camera here, and your phone automatically asks you to allow access for YouTube, and I'm just going to click on that. And this is a one-time process. After this, it will never ask you for this again. It redirects you to your phone album where it shows you all the videos you have stored in your phone. And I'm just going to click on any short one. Let me just take this 18-second one. And it shows you what it looks like. And if this is okay with you, hold on guys. Just reduce the audio of it. So if this is fine by you, you can click on next, or if you want to trim it, you can click on the scissors sign right here, and that will take you to YouTube studio where you can edit the video, but I won't do that. I'm just going to click on next because I'll assume that you've already edited the video and all of that. So it takes you to the description area where you can add your title, what you want the title of the video to be, the description, that's what the video is about, with your hashtags. And yeah, it asks you the privacy setting, if you want it private for now, pending when you're ready to make it public, or you want it public outrightly. It should ask you of your location, and once you put all of that, which I am going to do now, let me just say YouTube for phone, or starting a YouTube channel using my phone. And next I'm going to put a description. I'll just say yada 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 or whatever. Okay, and private, my location is Port Harcourt or whatever. You can decide to skip that. So once all of that is complete, you click on upload, and it tells you that it's already uploading the video. Depending on your internet speed, this might take between 15 minutes to an hour. And once that is done, you will notice that your video is up on your channel. To check that, I will go to my uploads and click on view all, and you can see that the video is here. If I click on public now, you notice that anybody that searches for my channel will see this video. So you can see that I used no computer or any external device for this process. I did everything using my phone. So once that is out of the way, next will be to create your thumbnail. And for this, you can use the aforementioned apps like Canva, Snapseed, and even use the default ones from YouTube. YouTube gives you 3 options of thumbnails that they feel like cater to your videos. I don't really use that. I always like to prepare my own thumbnail myself, but if that is not an option for you and you're fine with what YouTube gives you, then you can take one of the default ones. If not, you can use the apps that I mentioned, that is Canva and Snapseed. That way you can have total editing control. One tip for me when creating a thumbnail is to keep it clear and straight to the point. If you're using text, avoid them being too clustered and very big, even though I also advise that they should be visible enough from your phone and also your viewer using a laptop. So first thing they see once they come to watch that video is the clear thumbnail that describes what the video that they're about to watch entails. Lastly, before you make your video go public, you want to rank them. I have a video where I went in depth in this, and I'll just leave it in the cards here so you can click on it and go watch, so you can have a better understanding of what it means to rank your videos. To manage your channel afterwards, like know your stats, your subscriber counts, everything basically. Apps like TubeBuddy and YT Tracker are your best bets. I will leave them screenshotted here so you can have an idea what they look like when you go search for them in your app store. So guys, that's it with this video. If you found it helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, or if you did not, give it a thumbs down. It's all part of engagement and it helps me know what type of videos you want to see here. Are you thinking of starting up a YouTube channel using your phone? Let me know in the comment section. Also introduce your channel and what it's about. I would like to check it out. If you think that this video is going to be helpful to someone else, please share so that every other person can benefit. And if you haven't subscribed up until this point, please do so now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.